Hello and welcome to the Sanbrooke Adventures, where we're back here at home after an absolutely brilliant trip out to Florida and our first ever cruise as well.
The cruise was brilliant. We loved taking you guys along with us.
I wasn't intending on filming 6 vlogs, but we did because, yeah, there was that much that you could film on there. I was really surprised with all the shows and entertainment, and yeah, we were loving filming them vlogs so much. You could see our genuine enjoyment for seeing it for the first time. I think we're cruising either goes one way or the other for most people, but we loved it so much, didn't we?
We were just so sad when it come to an end.
We've already been looking for our next cruise, so don't worry, there will be more cruise content coming up as we move into 2024 and beyond. But yeah, we're looking at all the deals. I've heard that Black Friday is a good time for booking cruise deals, so we're going to certainly look at one for next year. And yeah, I'm sure there'll be lots more cruise content coming up for you all to enjoy here on this channel. But anyway, on to the main purpose of this video, and that is just to say thank you so much for all of your support. Our channel has reached 100,000 subscribers.
We appreciate each and every one of you following us along on this journey.
Yeah, and also since the cruise, it seems like we've had so many new viewers, lots of new names down in the comments that I've never seen before, and we appreciate all of you so much for watching, but especially those of you that comment and like our videos. It really does mean the world to us. And yeah, just a bit of history for you about this channel, the Sanbrooke Adventures as it's now known. Originally, this was Sanbrooke Productions. I started it back in 2008. I was like 15 years old and yeah, filming all different videos at theme parks. Then I started Theme Park Worldwide because back then you couldn't change your name on YouTube. So I started a new one called Theme Park Worldwide. This channel, I didn't really post anything for years. Then I started this channel as Adventure Sean and changed the name when YouTube allowed it. And then yes, since Charlotte's been full-time for over a year, it's now the Sanbrooke Adventures. Bit of history for you there.
We just absolutely love it, sharing all the content for you guys.
Oh, it really is great. Something a bit different. And of course, you know, primarily we visit the theme parks, but this past year we've really started to explore other options, and the cruise is kind of the start of us doing a lot more of that in the future too. But thank you so much. We really do appreciate it. Of course, when you do reach 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, you are sent a special plaque, and yeah, a silver play button has arrived in the post. So we're going to unbox that now, show you our play button, and it'll go nicely on the wall with the other one that we've got for Theme Park Worldwide. So yeah, 2 silver play buttons. Honestly, I never thought when I started making videos get to this point, Charlotte. I can't believe it.
Just thank everybody so much.
Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. But yeah, let's go and have a look at this play button. Okay then, so here it is. It comes in this black box, and yeah, it's got the YouTube logo on the front. As you can see, they put all the stickers on the front just here. And yeah, let's open it up. Let's have a look inside. This is always really exciting. It's been like, what, 4 years since I got the play button for Theme Park Worldwide? Here we go. So you get a letter just down here. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber.
Oh.
Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honour your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! We know that you have many more stories to share with your community. Oh boy, we do. And we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. And more cruises. Doesn't say that yet, but so keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th? Oh, there you go. That's been signed from Neil Mohan, the YouTube CEO just there. Different CEO to when I had my last play button, because I've still got this letter from when I got the first one. But of course, it's very much for the both of us, this one. And that's the thing with it having our name on there, the Sanbrooke Adventures, like the family name as well. And with us getting married soon as well, when Charlotte will become a Sanbrooke very soon. You know, that's even more special. So yeah, just to have another one is amazing. But here we go, lift this up. Ready for the big reveal? Oh, hey, there it is. Presented to the Sanbrooke Adventures for passing 100,000 subscribers.
That.
Oh, fantastic. Yeah, exactly the same style and design as the previous one. There it is. Look at that.
The pumpkin in the background.
Yeah, happy Halloween, everybody. Oh,
love it.
That is amazing. So yeah, looking forward to putting that up on the wall. And yeah, they're quite a good size, actually.
They are.
Hey. Amazing. Oh, honestly, thank you so much, everyone. Like, just getting another one of these is phenomenal. It really is. And just so many new viewers coming in this past month with the cruise as well. Honestly, it makes me so happy. Like, I never thought that, you know, I'd have one of these, let alone two for both of our YouTube channels. But honestly, without all of you watching, commenting, liking the videos, we wouldn't have got to this part. And also without Charlotte as well.
Oh,
so
thank you.
Thank you so much for everything that you brought to the channel, Charlotte, in the past, well, however long you've been on here, but especially the past year, where you've really stepped up and kind of come out of your shell a lot more.
I always try my best.
Oh, there we go. Fantastic. 100,000 subscribers here on the Sanbrooke Adventures. Thank you so much. Even our pumpkin here in the kitchen is happy with our award. But honestly, once again, thank you so much for all your support.
We appreciate each and every one of you. All of you have played a big part in us getting to this point.
Without you watching, we wouldn't be at this point in life. So thank you so much.
Thank you. We appreciate it so much.
Anyway, of course, Halloween has arrived here at the house. Just thought I'd give you a bit of a look at our Halloween decorations. So yeah, we've got these pumpkins down here. These are from Home Bargains. They were $9.99 and they actually light up, don't they, Charlotte?
Oh, they're really good.
There you go, you light it up underneath.
These look great at night when they light up.
That's it. Hey, so yeah, these are quite nice and ambient here in the living room. So yeah, we've got the nice pumpkins, got two of those.
I like those.
Which are quite good. And then we got these a while back. If you remember when we filmed that Halloween video, we went round getting a few bits. That was about a month and a half ago now, wasn't it, before the Florida trip? Yeah, we got these out on display. We got a couple over there and also a couple just down here as well. And yeah, we've put a few bits up outside just to look nice and spooky for Halloween as well.
We love the spooky season.
Even though we're not going to be seeing them now because we're going on our next adventure.
Yippee!
Hey! So we revealed just a few days ago over on Theme Park Worldwide that we're going on a Halloween road trip, and we've just finished packing this morning for it. It's just gone 11 o'clock and yeah, we're going on that trip today, aren't we?
Oh, we are so excited. I cannot wait.
Yeah, the play button came just in time before we went on this trip to share it with you all. But yeah, so we're all packed up. We're going to be visiting 16 different theme parks. It's all coming up over on Theme Park Worldwide, and we're looking forward to bringing you content from that over there. In terms of what's coming up next on this channel, stay tuned because yeah, the big C word Christmas is just around the corner now.
Christmas bakes will be making a return.
It is. Yeah, we've got all sorts coming up for Christmas. We're doing Christmas markets and all that jazz. And you got to think, you know, when we come back from this trip, be near to the end of October, and then like your Christmas markets all starting like early November, that sort of thing. So we'll be decorating at home again. Can't believe we've been in the house for like over a year now as well.
I can't believe it. Time has flown by so fast.
I was looking at my old photos on my phone last night, and like it's been a year since we got the sofa. Like I can't believe it. Like since we moved in, we was filming all that content. But yeah, I'm looking forward to everything that we've got coming up going forward. More cruising, more adventures, Christmas just around the corner, and so much more for you all to look forward to here on the Sanbrooke Adventures. But thank you very much for watching, and have your own adventures. We'll see you in the next video.